students, in this video we will learn to change the line spacing in MS Word 2013. Line spacing refers to the vertical distance or empty spaces between the successive lines of the text in a paragraph or a page. The line spacing can be set either before or after typing the document. It gives a neat look to the document. So let us start. To change the line spacing, select the text. On the Home tab, click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing button in the Paragraph group. A drop-down menu appears. Hover the pointer over the option. Notice, a preview of the current option is displayed in the document. Choose the option as per the requirement. In this way, we can change line spacing in MS Word 2013. Thank you.